In this vlog we will try to install Postman. So now let's try to download the Postman first. So here is the website from where you can get the Postman here. So these are all the platforms available: Windows, Apple and Linux. So currently we are using Mac OS, so let's tap on the Apple here and accept all the cookies, and here you can choose from either of this. So currently I am using Mac Apple chip, so the latest M1 processor. So let's tap on the OK button here, and now once the file is downloaded, let's try to install it. So here it's asking for us to open the file and also move to applications folder. So that's it, we have completed the installation of Postman, and here you can see our Postman application is now opened up, and you can just create an account or you can just skip and go to the application. So again, if you create an account, all your APIs will be stored for the future usage, and like collections you can maintain, and whenever you are trying to use it on the different machine, you are trying to use this Postman account, and there you can make use of these collections over there directly. So all the API calls will be stored in your account. So yes, that's it for this tutorial, and for more interesting tutorials, do subscribe to our channel.